Peter Chirico, PT, with Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today we're going to talk about running injuries and how to get pain-free, back to running, and training for races. With running injuries, it's usually not just one thing. It's not that simple. There's actually three things that can be involved. The first one is training issues. Second one is structural issues, and the third one is biomechanical issues. What do I mean by this? Well, it's important to understand what is the causing or predisposing you to having running pain. And by going through this, we'll be able to understand it better. For training problems, it could be something like you've increased your mileage and you're overtraining, or you're used to running on flat surfaces and now you're running on off-road or hilly surfaces. For structural problems, and these are things we look at when we see people, and they can be things like lack of range of motion, lack of flexibility, weakness, or is your single leg stance strong enough, and are any of these things affecting your running gait cycle? The last one is biomechanical flaws, and these can be happening if something has gone on, like you've increased your mileage from 2 miles to 4 miles, and are you fatiguing early? Are your muscles not strong enough and causing changes in your gait cycle that are causing you to break down, have unequal forces, and creating pain during your running? So it's important to find out what is causing your pain so that we can solve it and make it go away. So if you're having any running pain, we're here to help. Please give us a call. We're always willing to help people. Our phone number is 909-345-3370, or you can link to us through our website at chiricopt.com or Chirico Physical Therapy and Wellness. And be more than happy to talk to you and help you in any way we can. We love helping people. And I want to thank you for your time, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Good day. Bye-bye.